Hello teacher, my name is Andy Pérez. I study in the Técnico Salesiano. Course 10G. Subject English. My future life. I have many plans for my future today. I will the most important ones which are 4 plans. Number 1. I little to be a professional soccer player. I am little be good, but I want to better and competition in the professional life. Number 2, I will dream that also feel to be mechatronics. Now I am going to enter in the career, but I have to study to achieve my dream to have my own company. Number 3, I want to be a YouTuber. I am going to record a video about my future plans. I have also have some weird videos for when I was a little. I want to be recognizing by some people. Number 4. I would like in the future to get married, have a wife and 2 kids and a dog. But that more in the future when I have my own company. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks.